Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make $100 in one day. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about how to make $100 in one day. This is super easy. Now, if you followed me on my channel, you probably heard me talk about this recently, but I just wanted to show you some results. One of the things that these are the things that you're not going to have to do. You're not going to figure out how to set up sales funnels, how to do email marketing or autoresponders, or just basically learn any complicated online marketing, because that's what gets a lot of people hung up, is all the technical things, and it takes a while to get their business set up and start making money. But with this, you can start making money right away. You start making $100 commissions. What you're going to be doing is sharing a phone number. So in the email inbox, it's very crowded. Like if you learn how to set up a sales funnel and attract leads and buy traffic and do email marketing, there's a lot of competition, and a lot of times your email may go to their spam. And with text message marketing, people look at their texts all the time, so there's not as much competition. So that's what I really liked about this phone system. So basically what happens is your prospect calls your phone number that you have assigned to you, and they listen to a 5-minute phone-based sales funnel. And I'll tell you that I was super impressed when I listened to it, because I've listened to a lot of these. I get some here and there, and a lot of them just sound very fake, but this is very, very good. And all the questions, excuse me, all the questions that your prospect may have are answered by the automated system or on text messages. So if they have a question, they text the question, and then the automated system texts back the answer to them. So you don't have to do any of that. You don't have to talk to anybody. The message will overcome objections, I think, and then they're asked to sign up by texting back "get started," and then they're just led through the sign up process. It's a very, very easy process to get signed up. And the system is called Abundance Network. And again, if you've been following me, I've been doing some reviews on this system, and it is an SMS-based automated phone closing system. And it also generates leads for your primary business. So if you do have one, you can put that in the back office, and people will text a link to your primary business within 24 hours of them opting into the system. And the system was created by Jeff Long, who is a programmer. I've noticed that a lot of major marketers are joining Abundance Network because it's a great way. Let's say they have a business and they're showing people how to make upfront money for advertising. It's kind of like a funded proposal. So I've noticed a lot of people that I know who are major marketers are joining Abundance Network. So it is it is popular right now, but you can still make a lot of money with this system. The cost of it is a one-time fee of $100 plus $50 admin fee that's for the back office. And there's various ways that you can pay by Cash App, Facebook Messenger, Bitcoin Wallet, Stripe, PayPal, and then any other payment methods as well. You do have to be in the US because of the payment methods. So I'm going to show you some results that I've gotten just within the less than 2 weeks. Actually, I've gotten 5 sales now, and I'll show you why that's not $500 because of the compensation plan, but it's really good. So I've gotten $300 in less than 2 weeks. If we go into the Facebook group here, let me show you some results that people have gotten that have promoted this longer than I have. Actually, this person just promoted it 6 days and already has made $600 or $800. And this person has been promoting it quite a bit longer, 12,500. Mary Beth has made $5,100. So you can see that there's a lot of people that are doing very well. Tracy Walker, she's a major marketer, has made 200. Of course, she just did that in 2 hours, promoting it on her Facebook group or her Facebook wall, I believe. This person, first sale came in within 45 minutes of joining, just hit send on 50,000 ringless voicemails and 50,000 text R&Q. Looks like it's going to be a great weekend, big weekend. Okay, so it's working really well. And you're probably asking, okay, I got this phone number, how do I market it? Let me show you a little bit more in the back office here. So it's super easy to set up. There's just like 5 steps. Now Twilio is where you have usage, like when someone calls in, you have to have credits. And so they are replacing this with something that's less expensive, but right now about $20. Actually, it's less than 20, but around 20 is the usage that you will have per month. So that's the only other cost that you have, unless you do paid marketing. And then you'll automatically, after you get that set up, you'll get a phone number assigned to you. Admin number is just where you put in your phone number where you want to be contacted. Not through this, but just through your own personal phone number there. And then you will, if you do have a primary business, that's where you'll put your link. And then they have marketing in here. Let's see here. So you have swipes that you can send out to all the people in your contact list. That's your warm market, and then that's the first place most people that know you would trust you to know this is good. And then on Facebook, they do have posts that you can use, and ringless voicemail drops there. I'll show you just what I've done in the last 2 weeks. I have a very small list because, like I've told you in some of my other videos, I had to start from completely scratch last summer, and it's a very small list. And then I have done some YouTube marketing and then just sharing it on my personal wall here. I had this banner made in Fiverr for $5 or $10. So you can do something like that and post in Facebook groups your banner and some results. That's how I've done it. It's and then of course text messaging. I'm getting started on that myself, and that's very, very inexpensive to do text message marketing. Super easy. So when I do that and I get some results with that, I'll show you guys that. Ringless voicemail, again, Facebook and YouTube. And I was going to tell you too, I have done some videos, like I said, the Abundance Network review here, how to market Abundance Network on YouTube. I went into detail on how you would market it on YouTube and what keywords you could use, just some ideas that you could use for keywords. But I've talked about building a long-term sustainable business, not just marketing Abundance Network, but how you can use YouTube to generate leads and sales and have some really great success online. So I'll post that in the link in the description below this video. And also this Abundance Network, how does it work? That is an interview with the owner. So we go into more depth on the benefits and features of Abundance Network and how it will benefit you, how you can make money with it on the front end, the $100 commissions, but also having your primary business exposed to your prospects as well, and you can make money on the back end that way. So as far as you might be wondering, okay, if right here I've actually made 5 sales, so you might be wondering why I only have $300 in earnings, but that is because it is a reverse 2-up compensation plan. So you keep your first sale, pass up your second, keep your third, pass up your fourth, and then every sale after the 5th you keep. So there is some leverage to it, because every person that you refer, you can potentially earn $200, well, $300 from that one particular sign up. So there is some leverage to it. And I really like the compensation plan, how it works out that way. So how would you get started making $100 in one day? You would just basically call this number and that's it. Call 831-263-5158. After you call, you just have to experience it. You'll be prompted to press 1 to learn more, and then it'll ask you if you're ready to get started, and then it'll walk you through the process. It'll just send you a link. It's automatic. You sign up, and then after you sign up, the person that referred you has to mark you as paid, and then you also have to pay the admin fee as well. But after you do that, then you can go ahead and go through here, your setup process. It's at 100% now, but obviously it'll be at 0, and it'll walk you through the steps. I mean, it's super easy to set up. Like, it just takes maybe not even 10 minutes, and you're all ready to share your number and earn the $100 commissions. And you can earn as many, you can earn one a day, but it's very easy to do. As far as a lot of programs that I review, there is a lot of setup, there's a lot of learning curve, but this one, I don't think that there is. Abundance Network. So that's how I came up with how you guys can make $100 in one day. And if you guys found some value from this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave your comments below the video. Also, if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below this video. And again, I'm going to leave these links here to my reviews and how to market it on YouTube and the interview with the owner right below the video. And then I'll also leave my phone number, 831-263-5158, in the description below this video, that you guys can get signed up and get started today making $100 in one day. With that being said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.